So as you see, we've got a spaceship. So now this beauty was in the woods with this lovely old kitchen. What you got? Lovely. Now that washing machine is going to go over there in the corner. Out there I dug a 1 ton soak away. So next is the tee up. Seems to be working. My plumbing leaves a little bit to be desired. Oh, we're off. We're pumping. Where are we? Oh my lord, what's going on here? Watering can at the ready to replenish the bucket for the pump. Oh, never mind. I think I made a mistake. I put it on pre-wash. It was going slow, so then I've swapped it to speed perfect, whatever that is. Mix load, 40 degrees. I suppose the pump is taking water sometimes. I suppose it's mimicking what your tap would do, but it don't feel like it's taking off. Outlet is functioning, although because it's not all working yet, I haven't put the pipe in the pipe for the big soak away underneath, but it's good to see it working. Oh, quick cup of tea, 3 minutes in counting. Two minutes in counting. 1 minute. Must be the end. Well, that's quite a relief after washing your clothes in the river with a block and soap for 4 months. It's quite a relief. Best sweatshirt, best jeans, best grundies, all a result. Lovely job.